Hello viewers, welcome to Quick Coder. My name is Tulasi. Today's topic is reverse a linked list in Java using data iteration and also pointer iteration. So let's get started. Okay, now let's start reversing a linked list using the data iteration. Data iteration is nothing but we are just swapping the data. You already know, I think you already know how to reverse an array. So same theory we are following here. Okay, so what is initially L is equal to 0. So my L is equal to 0 and R is equal to size minus 1. That is nothing but total size is 4, no? 4 minus 1, 3. Now what I will do is left is equal to get node at the L, means at 0th position this is the node, and I will get this address, and right this is the node, right? This is the node. So initially my L is equal to 0, my R is equal to 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. And I will already implement this. I will implement this get node function also. What this get node function will do is this get node function will return the node at the position L. Means in my left we have this node, and in my right we have this node. And what we are doing is just swapping the data of this to linked list. Means in temp is equal to left dot data. Means initially my temporary variable will have left dot data. That is 2. And my left dot data, I mean this left dot data will be right dot data. Okay, so here there will be 5, and right dot data will be temp. What is there in temp 2? No, so 2 will be there. And now my L will be here, my R will be here. Means my L will be 1, my R will be 2. And again I will get the node at this position and this position, and again swapping. Means here there will be 4 and here there will be 3. Okay, is it right? Yeah, here there will be 4 and 3. And again my L will be 2 now, and my R is here now 1. But here my L is not less than R now. So that's it, the loop stops here, and see the linked list is sorted. Now let's implement this. Okay, let's implement this. Okay, now let's start implementing this data iterative reverse function. Okay, what happens here is, first of all, what we are doing, we are taking some int L is equal to 0 and int R is equal to size minus 1. And now while my L is less than R, what I'm doing, I'm taking the left node. How to take the left node? Left node is equal to, I already implemented this get node at the position function here. What really happened here? Get node at, I'm passing the position L. What it is actually doing, let me trace this code also. Okay, so what this does is, here for example, let me take these are the nodes I have. Okay, these are the nodes that I have. This is pointing to null, 0 position, first, second, third. Now for example I passed here 2, I mean I want this node. Initially my head is here. No, what will happen is I will take the temporary node which is pointing to this side, and I will iterate up to position. Initially my is equal to 0. Now what will happen? 0 is less than 2. No, now my temp will goes here, and again my I will be incremented. I will be 1. Is my 1 is less than 2? Yes. Again my temp will go here, and my I will be incremented. But is 2 is less than 2? No. Here it stops, and simply we will return this temporary node. That's it. That's it about this function. Now let's implement this one. Okay, we are getting the node at L, position L, and again we are getting the node at get node at R. Okay, up to here clear. And now what I am doing, I am taking some temporary variable which stores the data of left node, and my left dot data is equal to right dot data, and my right dot right dot data will be equal to my temp value. That's it. Now there is one more thing, that L plus is equal to 1 and R minus is equal to 1. That's it about this function implementation of reversing a linked list using data iterative method. Now let's see the pointer iterative method. Okay, now let's start reversing a linked list using pointer iteration. Pointer iteration is nothing but what we are doing is we are just, instead of swapping the data, we are just taking this link to this side, this link to here, this link to here, and this link to here. This link to here means this is null and my head will be here. Okay, like this I will do this. Reversing a linked list, just pointer iteration. I'm just changing the pointer, not changing any node or any data. Okay, now let's trace this code. Okay, don't worry, I will explain that. Okay, now initially what I will do is I want to, for example, this is my current node. Just I want to change this next pointer to here. What I will do is I will break this and I can do it like current dot next is equal to null. But there is no, we have to maintain the address of this next node in some data, in some variable. So how to store that? Simply what I am doing is, see here, because when I am making this pointer to null, I have to store the address of this next data. So that what I'm doing is, so there is, so sorry, many. Okay, so that what I'm doing is, my current node is pointing to head, and there is a before node which is pointing to null, because this pointer, this next should be pointer to null, no? And again, there is also some node called after which points to null. What will here happens is, first of all, I will go to while loop and is my current is not equal to null or not? Yes, current is not equal to null. What I will do now? Okay, see here. First of all, what I will do is after is equal to current dot next means in this, sorry, in this after I am storing the current node dot next value, means this node will be stored here, this node value will be stored here. Means what I will do is here after will be pointing out to this node, right? My current dot next will be, my current dot next will be null before, my current dot next will be null here. Now what will happen after going to this? Now the next node should point out to this current node, so that what I am doing is I will store this current value node in this before thing. Okay, so this before will point out to this node. After that, here there's my after node. Now my current will move to here. Again the same thing happens. What will happen now? Okay, again my what I should do? I want to store this next node data because my current node is pointing to this node. If I take this, if I take this to here, there may be, how can we know the next node data or next node address? So what I'm doing is, I will move this after to current dot next, and now current dot next will point out to before. Okay, current dot next will point out to before. Now my before will pointing out to this current. Now my current will move to after. And again the same thing follows. What happens first of all? First of all, my after will move to current dot next, and my current dot next will point out to before. Sorry. My current dot next will point out to before. Now my before will pointing out to this current node, and my current node will come to after node. And again the same thing happens. My after will move, goes to the next thing because it will point out to null. Now what happens now? Okay, current dot next will be, means this pointer will go to before, and now before will pointing out to this current. Now my current will pointing out to null because this after is pointing out to null, no? So the current is also pointing out to null. And again I will check is my current is not equal to null or not, as it is not equal to null. But now what I should do? I should know the starting point of the linked list. So how can I know? As the before is pointing out to the start, so head is equal to before. Means now my head will be here. That's it. That's it about reversing a linked list using pointer approach, pointer iteration. So now let's start coding. Okay. Now I will implement this reverse using this pointer iteration. Okay. What first of all I'm taking three nodes now. First of all, my current node is pointing out to head, and my before node is pointing out to null, and my after node is also pointing out to null. Now up to here clear. And while my current is not equal to null, what I'm doing, simply after is equal to current dot next. I'm storing the next node data, and my current dot next is equal to before. Now my before will move to current. Okay, so my before will move to current, and my current will move to after. Okay, so my current will be is equal to after. And what is the last step? I want to know the starting of the linked list now. So head is equal to before. That's it. The implementation of this reversing a linked list using pointer iterative and data iterative. Now let's run. So first of all, we can analyze what will be the output. Okay. Then after we can compare this. So first of all, delete middle. It will give some error message. Insert at end means a node is inserted. Delete at end. This will be gone. Insert at end. So this what? Okay. Insert at end means 5 is inserted. Middle using pointer approach. So this is the middle node. 10 is inserted, pointing to null. And now insert at first. 33 is inserted. Insert at first. 34 is inserted. Insert at end. 7 is inserted. This is null. And 8, something like. Okay. 8 is inserted. And again 6. 6 is inserted, and it is pointing to null. And again deleted middle. So what is the middle one? 10 more. Okay. Deleted 10. This will be deleted. This is null. And deleted first. This will be deleted. And show means it will print the data of each node. 33, 5, 7, 8. Now this is implemented and inserted position 2. So this is the position 2, no? 0, 1, 2. So what will be my node is 33, 5, 60, 7, 8. And this will be null. And again show method. If show method is called 33, 5, 60, 7, 8. And deleted position 3. So this is the 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the position 3. This will be gone. And again this dot show means 33, 5, 60, 8. Now iterative reverse. So if we reverse this, what will be happen now? Data iterative means, okay, data iterative means not like this, no? We are just swapping the data. Here will be 33, here will be 8. 33, 8. And here will be 60, here will be 5. 65. So here like this will be there. Yes, sorry, here we do not swap things. 833. Okay, now what will happen if I call list dot show 8? 65, 33. And now again reverse. Again we are doing reverse. So in this what we are doing is we are just moving the iterator like this. And my head is pointing to here. And if my call the show function, this will be my output. Okay, now let's run and let's see is our expected output is equal to the actual output or not. Okay. Okay, now let's run the code. Java space main dot java. No errors. Java space main. See, yes, I think sorry, I think both are same. The first one is error message, and next one is 33578. Okay, 33568. Okay, 33568. Okay, 86533. Okay, 33568. So like this, we can implement this reversing a linked list using two methods: data iterative and pointer iterative. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. I think you are clear with how to reverse a linked list. The coming up video is how to find the kth node from the end of the linked list in Java. So wait for this and subscribe to my channel, click code it to get notified for the further videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.